Banedup. They also call it Cambombia. It's a very nice island, and yeah, I'm here. I am on the island now, walking along the path next to the water, and it's beautiful. Of course, not so nice, but yeah, what can you do? Ah, bueno. Buen pizza.
Yeah.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Buenas.
Buenas.
Hola. Banedup, the island with a restaurant with very nice food from Iben, and yeah, probably my last stop. There are some waves, so probably my last stop in Blas. As it looks now, I'll be heading to Turtle Cay Marina outside of the Blas tomorrow. But I have a second check, of course, tonight and tomorrow morning. But this is what it looks like. I am at the Hollandaise case, so heading for Banedup, but there's a lot of reef here, so it's pretty dangerous. moment I'm in the restaurant of Iben in Banedup, and he's famous around here by all the sailors, and he makes lovely dishes. So I'm gonna check what he has in store for me today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, oops.
Welcome.
So what are you going to cook for me today?
I'm going to cook for you mahi mahi. Fresh mahi mahi.
Wow.
I have natural use for you, my friend.
Very nice. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, good.
Wow.
Enjoy, my friend.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Wow. Your boat is big or is small?
It's small. My boat is 8 meters, 27 foot.
8 meters.
27 foot.
27 foot. Wow. But this is good.
Yeah, about this, huh? Yeah. So big enough.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
The
so
food looks really
room.
nice.
You have a comfortable room.
I have. Yeah.
Why you decided to come like this alone?
Well, my husband didn't want to come.
Yeah.
So he said, "You go sailing, and I will visit you." Nice, huh?
When your husband where you go? Your husband visit you where?
He visited me in Azores,
okay,
in Portugal, in Cape Verde, and now in French Polynesia.
In French Polynesia.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Wow, that's a big one, or not? Yeah.
Yes.
¿Qué tipo de pescado?
Wow.
Oh no, not for me. Oh, lobsters!
Ah.
There you go.
Here we go with lobsters.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you also to all my patrons. If you want to become a patron, it's patreon.com/Loveworkx, or for one-time or monthly donations through PayPal, it's paypal.me/Loveworkx. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye!